आनी गोंयान येवपाक रेट आहली 38,000 त्या टायमार हांव उलयतां 27, 28, 29, 30. That is why this year we had tourists, but they are not called tourists. They drove down to Goa from Maharashtra, from Karnataka, and they went back next day. They didn't sleep in hotels, they slept on the beach, or they slept under the trees. So you cannot call them tourists.
Big Tycoon brings to you settlement plot at Dargal near Mopa Airport. Price starts from 15,000 rupees per square meter.
प्रश्न मावीन बुदिनो म्हटलं की पर्यटन गोंयान खूब म्हारग जाला म्हणून त्या खातीर ट्युरिस्ट आतां कमी
डेस्टिनेशन एक्सपेन्सिव जावंक उपकारना ती तेजी खरी गजाल. हितून सगळो लोक जबाबदार आहा, इन्क्लुडींग द एअरलायन प्रायसीस टू गो टू प्लेस लायक थायलँड or Malaysia or Sri Lanka or Maldives or any other destination, Seychelles, Mauritius, is cheaper than coming to Goa. Goa केन्ना केन्ना अशी फेअर प्राइस जाता की 36,000 रिटर्न ticket means one way 18,000, and you can go to those countries which I just named in 20,000 and come back. 20,000 rupees.
ह्या खातीर गोंयान
अशें जावंक जायना की गोवा being a preferred and favored destination is getting expensive by airlines. You come from Delhi to Goa, you are paying sometimes 35,000 for both ways. Return ticket 35,000 or 32,000. It's too expensive. It should not be that price, is what I am trying to say.
ट्युरिस्टाचेर हेजेर कितें परिणाम जालो अशें आसा?
डेस्टिनेशन आमचे गोंयान जे फ्रायडे सॅटर्डे संडे ट्युरिस्ट येताले ते इवन क्रिसमस न्यू इयराक कमी जाले. बरे ट्युरिस्ट दुसरे कंट्रीन गेले बिकॉज थिंगासर रेट आहली 22,000 आनी गोंयान येवपाक रेट आहली 38,000 त्या टायमार हांव उलयतां 27, 28, 29, 30. That is why this year we had tourists, but they are not called tourists. They drove down to Goa from Maharashtra, from Karnataka, and they went back next day. They didn't sleep in hotels, they slept on the beach, or they slept under the trees. So you cannot call them tourists. So everybody said Goa was full, not with tourists. Let us be very frank on that. Whoever tourist म्हणजे कितें, जे आमचे हॉटेलांनी गेस्ट हावसांनी रावपी, जे आमचे रेस्टॉरंटान धंदो घालपी, आमचे टॅक्सीन भोंवपी, रेंट कारान भोंवपी, रेंट कॅबान भोंवपी, हे सगळे जण तांकां आमी ट्युरिस्ट म्हणटा. जे आपले ओन गाडी घेवन येता आनी खंय तरी आंब्यापनाक रावता आनी ओडापनाक घाण करून चल्ले, तांकां ट्युरिस्ट म्हणना. ते खाली येता आनी हिंगासर सगळे बाटल्यो खाली करता ते सोऱ्याच्यो आनी थिंगा फोडटा बाटल्यो बिचार वचोन, आनी ते कितें वडा पाव आनी कितें ते इडली सांबार ते कितें तेय बीन जाल्यार रेस्टॉरंटान बसून खायना, ते पार्सल घेता आनी खंय तरी खंयच्या वडापावनाक आनी घाण करतात आनी चल्ले, शेतान बसून घाण करून चल्ले. सो तसले ट्युरिस्ट आमी वी शूड नॉट प्रमोट दॅट टायप ऑफ ट्युरिजम. आनी त्या खातीर विलेज पंचायतींनी नदर दवरपाची गरज आसा. स्पेशल वॉर्डन्स अपॉयंट करूंक जाय टू स्टॉप देम फ्रॉम सिटींग under any roadside fields, under any tree, and drive them away. We don't want those type of people to come here and do all those things. Rooms of hotels should go down. The tariff, the room rates have to go down. We have to be competing with the world. Ami chinta we are thinking only of the state Goa. Ami worldache competitionan रावपाक जाय. So every destination is विएतनाम, जे केन्ना आमी नांवूच आयकोंक ना, ते आयज फेवर्ड डेस्टिनेशन जाला. उगडास जर हांव कितें उलयता ते, इफ यू जस्ट ओपन गुगल सर्च कर विएतनाम, यू विल गेट डेस्टिनेशन. वन्स अपॉन अ टायम नोबडी वॉन्टेड टू गो देर. आयज विएतनाम फेवर्ड ट्युरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन.
गव्हर्नमेंटाचो कंट्रोल.
आतां हांव कित्याक म्हणटा हें, आमी गोंयकारांनी जे ह्या धंद्यान आहा ते आमी चिंतपाची गरज आहा. हे आमचे this is our only source of income. Tourism is our only source of income, and we need to actually take care of this, and we need to see that everything is under control. The price of it is not within our control about fares of airlines coming to the state of Goa. It's not in our control, but we need to keep on writing to central government that they need to keep a tab on this. Our rates of the hotel should not be exorbitant, so that the tourist who wants to come to Goa should not go to Vietnam and spend money there. Once they can go, but the way there are some tourists who come to Goa 7-8 times in a year or 10 times in a year, they should not go 10 times to Vietnam. They can go once to Vietnam. But if there is no visa is on arrival and that also free. In some countries, visa is on arrival and free. And when you enter over there, it is so cheap that the hotel rates are much cheaper than Goa. The food is much cheaper than Goa. So we need to take care of all these things, that is restaurants, pricing in restaurant, taxi, rent a car, rent a bike. These are the most important things where a tourist, when they come to Goa, they want all these things. Rent a bike, rent a car, taxi, accommodation, guest house accommodation, resort accommodation, hotel accommodation, rates and fair price for them to fly down to Goa and go back. If this is within their reach and they say that this destination is equal to Vietnam, we cannot be higher than Vietnam, we cannot be higher than Malaysia, we cannot be higher than Thailand. We have to be slightly lower than them. So this is what we need to take care. And if we take care of this, Goa is always a favored destination. People love Goa, Indians love Goa, foreigners love Goa. We need to keep that price control on all these important things which I just mentioned. Thank you.
So, but any meeting will be fixed with the hotel owners on rent a bikes regarding the high prices?
No. म्हाका दिसता tourism minister has already understood that, and that day I was having an informal chat with him. He said he will take a meeting on this. I am 100% sure he will work out something along with the director and others. The message should be sent loud and clear to all the hotel industry. Just don't hike the price because you want extra money. Your price should be in competitive with the world I am talking about. Goa tourism, we are competing with the world, with Vietnam, with Thailand, with Malaysia, with Maldives, with Sri Lanka. These are the closest destinations, Seychelles, Mauritius. These are the closest destinations which are over here. And our prices cannot be more than them, especially air flights and also hotel stay.